We're about a month away from Samsung officially revealing the Galaxy S24 series, but you don't need to wait for the announcement to learn about the new flagship phones. Leakster Evan Blass, who often shares tech information, posted a picture on Twitter that shows when the Galaxy S24 will be revealed. According to this picture, the next big Galaxy event will happen on January 18, 2024 at 3:00 a.m. This is when Samsung plans to introduce its new phones. The image also mentions Galaxy AI is coming, hinting at new smart features with artificial intelligence for the Galaxy S24 series. The picture has some sparkle emojis that are similar to those used by Google Bard, suggesting that Galaxy S24 might have features similar to Google Bard. Today, leaked images showed all the different colors of the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra. And now we also have details about the official specifications of these phones. Also, the identification numbers for the versions of the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra that are tied to specific phone carriers, and the ones that are not linked to any carrier were found on @&T's website. You can see them in the picture. The Galaxy S24 series is likely to focus a lot on AI. These phones will use either the Exynos 2400 or the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, both of which can do AI processing right on the device. This means the Galaxy S24 phones might have some cool AI features. For example, it could translate languages in real time during phone calls, turn spoken words into text for up to 10 people in voice recordings, convert and summarize text in Samsung Notes, image expansion, wallpaper generation, and more. The official specification sheet of the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra was leaked by legendary leakster Evan Blass. The Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra have really good screens that refresh 120 times per second, get super bright, and are protected by strong Gorilla Glass armor. S24 and S24 Plus have aluminum frames, but the S24 Ultra has an even stronger titanium frame. All three phones can handle being in water and have a special fingerprint reader under the display, plus cool features like Samsung Knox, Samsung Pay, and wireless DeX. The S24 Ultra even comes with an S Pen included. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.